How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are tired of fixing your Snapchat device ban, then you are on the right place. I'll show you some method how you can fix it very easily and very clearly. First of all, we have to make sure we are using the updated version of the Snapchat. For that, open your App Store or Play Store and see if the Snapchat is updated or not. Once you check that, go back and now click on Settings. Once you open your settings, click on General. After that, scroll down and click on the option of VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Now go back and open your browser. Type Snapchat support in the search bar and then click on the first option. Wait for a couple of seconds, let the page be fully loaded up. Now scroll down and choose the option of My account is compromised. That is the second option. Once you're here, click the second option and the second last option of below. That is My account is locked. Scroll down and click on Accounts and Site. Once you're on this page, tap on Unlock My account right here. It might ask you to log in. If it does not, just tap on Unlock My account. You'll be taken to the last step where you tap on Unlock in the bottom. And that's it. That's how you fix Snapchat device ban. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.